Ready to go? Give me down low. Too slow.
Esa vaina que gasta bastante plata.
Infomercial time. Anyone know anyone who likes ginormous African animal paintings? Let me know. Oh. All right, we're gonna get this unboxing done one way or another. My UPS person. I'm gonna take this. Pretty full. Come this way.
That door in there is the bathroom.
You need to go to the bathroom, Dad?
No, I use
You just went?
clothes. They are going down.
Alberto, Jeff,
Hey, how you doing,
Alberto.
Hey, nice
How
to
you
meet
doing?
He's an artist over here in Longwood. He helped the city commissioner get elected. Do you remember that? We went
Yeah.
together.
You can come every day and check on him.
I can check who? Who check on
Check on
who?
me?
You want me to check on him or you want him to check on me?
You come over here and check on him how he does it.
You got that going?
Yeah, man, it's on.
What is that?
It is that I got for any lady in your life.
Why are you giving it to me? To give to my old lady? We are
Absolutely.
Greyhound Racing and... Did I forget the word will?
Oh no!
God dang it.
Hey, it happens.
Proofreading always comes in handy.
Father Alfredo Hernandez.
First things first. Can you stand over here?
Sí, caballero.
Cinco de Mayo.
He said yes, sir.
Did he?
Come on, Dad. Real quick. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We have. Do you have a knife?
There.
Perfect. All right. I hope this is all. Everyone looks like they're in focus. Dad, get behind that bench.
Is he good? You want him behind here?
I want him to stand behind the bench. I try not to force him or push him to do anything, which is fine. So you stand here.
Yep.
I'll stand here, and Dad, you stand here.
That's crazy, that wide angle.
So, all right, cool. So, Papi, actually, just do your thing. I don't care.
Papi, oiga, papi, para que le haga.
I'll just let him run.
Yeah.
All right, cool. So let me see that. So this is a Riptide electric skateboard that I purchased for the primary reason of being able to hang out more with him and have a creative dolly angle shot when I'm making these documentaries and creative films. So here we go. Even up close if you want to, whenever. But all right. So careful, don't touch that. All right. So in this box we have another box. All right.
Box
So
in a box.
I already hate this company. Grab it.
Yeah,
So I'm dropping it to the
no.
camera.
I just knocked
Oh,
over your
don't
skate.
even worry, man. Don't even
No,
worry.
él es que se va a caer.
There you go.
All right. Guys, I got 2 Riptide boxes. I'm going to do a free giveaway on one of these boxes. To do with the knife, here it is. 1, 2, 3. That one's already... This is like half open already. All right, guys. Let's see how it's looking on the inside. And this is where I'm going to need your help because I'm not a mechanic.
Oh, some assembly required or what?
No, it should all come together in one piece. Dad, can you hold this for me and point it inside the box? Is that possible?
Okay.
Can you hold this like that?
Ahí la tengo así.
Hold it more towards the base. All right.
Este es
perfect.
hembra varón.
So, in this box is a cool skateboard.
It's already assembled.
It's assembled, but this is the true test. Whenever you buy new tech, a new tech product, the test is how much battery life is in the actual device. I hope and have an expectation. Up, Dad, towards me.
Hopefully some.
I
Yeah,
hope
you're
I
right.
hope and have an expectation that this should have 2 bars, and it does. Yes. All right. So I'm already. It's on my good. I appreciate this product. It's on my good side. We'll put it down for now. So far so good. Sorry. Do you mind if I just throw?
No, go ahead.
All right.
You kidding me?
Ya está botando el
Have you
peso.
seen my yard?
All right. I think we're good on that. And that's it for this. We got a notebook. We have a remote controller. These are the things I don't really know what they are. What would
Looks
you say?
like some kind of bearing.
Bearings of some sort. A couple extra belts. It is a belt-driven board. Dad, why don't you point it at me? Keep it pointed right here. So we got a remote. We've got a. We have a remote control here. It's plastic. It feels pretty sturdy, pretty reliable. These belts pretty good. Chargers. Hey, what do you know? It's an unboxing. All right, boom.
when he gets home, he's gonna think.
All right, so I'll
Over there.
hand you that now.
Okay.
Let you do your thing.
All right.
This is for your lady friend. So note to self, whenever you are visiting someone's house, always try to bring some sort of gift, whether it's your cameras, whether it's what's in this box.
All right.
But it is definitely for his lady friend.
It is. Huh?
You see that camera right there?
Yeah.
Try to
What is it?
look into the frame.
Oh. What is it?
I don't know. You're gonna have to open up and see.
Kaki.
Well, you got it like
It's
zoomed in or
khaki.
something. What? What is it? Zura. What is it?
Let's get a close up of the pack, the company. All right, Zura, and yeah, open it up, buddy. I know you don't get a lot of time in the gym. I know you struggle kind of finding that time and opportunity.
What is it? I don't get it.
They're yoga bands. Actually,
What's that mean?
A startup company sent those to me just to do a product review for them. But they're yoga bands, so they're like strength workout bands that your wife can use if she wants to, or I don't know, wife, girlfriend. I don't know who, even if you.
Here, wife, you should use these because you sure could work out. You need some working out there. That's gonna just get me slapped in the face.
Oh well, too bad. You're gonna have to give it to her and maybe record the reaction.
Bueno, ahí hay una seña que él no la ha hecho.
What?
You estúpido idiotas.
No, that means.
Oh my God. Well, we don't need a translator for that. But thank you so much for watching. Definitely check out his videos if you haven't already. Paint the trails. This is what his backyard looks like. Organized chaos. It's how most artists and entrepreneurs who have too much going on in their minds work. And I hope you enjoyed this video and my dad's amazing camera skills.
Yes.
Ahí está. Pero está todavía.
Got it in here.
And that's it. This is the old board.
Very cool. You gonna take it for a spin?
Let's turn it on. So much for my unboxing. Let's see. How many batteries is on it? Let's see. Battery life. Turn it on. Super important. I think we're good. I don't think there's a battery.
No es vulgar.
All right, so that's
It's on, so if you hit the remote,
well, turning the remote on, I don't ever read instructions, but it might not have a charge. It's not a big
pieces. And it was fake news on the left, and then comic books on the right, and it said both are fake, but one's fun to read.